What up, YouTube? What up? What up, guys? How we doing? Hope you all are doing well. Let's just get everything kind of sorted real quick. Bro, I haven't been on this for so long now. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? I don't know what this is. You gotta be jet lagged, bro. Tell me about it, dude. I'm tired, bro. I'm just really tired. But it's another day, so let's try to get to it. Let's try to see what we can catch. Why is it not loading this shit? I'm just trying to load my things, guys. Give me a sec. Your voice is too low. Is it actually? Is it too low? Turbo in the house. What up? What up? Why is my trading view acting so weird? Trading view. Now good, yeah. I figured it's just my mic needs to be closer. That's it. My trading view is acting weird. It's acting slow. I'm not sure why. Update the script. All right, there we go. All right, fire. There we go. All right, fire. All right, what up, everyone? So, hope you all were doing well, having a great day. We're fully back in action now. I'm back home, obviously, as you guys know. I was on vacation for a little bit of time, about 2 weeks, and we are fully back now. Ready to rock and roll, ready to play, ready to go ahead and trade. Let's see what we can catch, what we could do. Why is my thing acting so suspicious right now? My computer is acting so weird, or maybe it's just I haven't used it for so long that it's completely different in my eyes right now. But I'm trying to figure things out right now. There we go. Cool. Boom. All right. Dope. All right. Refresh your Gex. I just did. This is the level that I'm looking at right now. I already kind of refreshed it, so this is already good. Let's reload one more time just to be sure, just to play safe, just because I would rather be safe than sorry. All right. I don't know why my camera was pointing down when it should be pointing up. All right, cool. Right there. This. Update the script. Boom. We have this. Our 10 Ranger right here. We took out NYPM lows off of Asia right there. We took out previous day lows? Really? Oh, no, we did not. I was like, what? We took previous day lows? Like, how is that even possible? But we have a crazy daily. Fell to up crazy daily, actually. So interesting. Wait, we got different levels? Yeah, that's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. We have different levels. Well, I mean, mine says that it's updated, so let me just try to replug it back in just in case, just to be sure one more time. Favorites, Gex right here. Yeah, this is, yeah, I mean, that's all right. That's enough of confirmation at this point. Now, we broke past this Gex level. We took out NYPM lows. We have not hit previous day lows. So it's a little interesting where we're at right now. Kind of want to wait and see how it reacts right here if we get a retracement into this Gex level from 60, 61, 65. Okay. I kind of want to see how it does towards this Gex level, and if it gives us a good reaction off of it. So from 51 all the way till 60 something, 66, I think that's what it is, right? 660. just about here. This is the whole Gex level. So I just want to see how it reacts off of that. I think I want to long this to take out this high. Or to come up towards that high. Because the buying pressure that we're getting is really nice. So let's see. Let's see how it reacts here. I'll take 2 trades today because I'm back fully in action. So we'll see. Okay. This does not look bad. There's really not much going on today, you know, except for this level right here. So if it starts working out of it, I might take it. Let's just see. Need a little bit of a better retracement. This 15-minute. It's not loading. Okay. There it is. Okay. What are you trading? NQ. I'm on NQ. All right. I'm going to try this out. 2 minis for
order
a long,
filled.
risking 500. So stops is just right below this Gex level. I don't want to see it go lower than that, to be honest. 4. Us to push up higher. I mean, preferably you want to see us come up to this midday open right here, 730, but we'll see. I'll just go for a 1-to-1 RR. So I'm risking 510. I'll go for 520. The plan is still the plan. Nothing changed. Still the same old plan, guys. That's 13 points. That's what the fuck. That's so ass. That is literally nothing. So I'm copy trading this across 3 accounts. Weird, mine was updated, but it's always alright. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why it didn't show me other than what I'm seeing right now, bro. So we shall wait and see. But I honestly want to target this midday open. Not gonna lie. Or 733.5 is not bad. Like if I want to target this high, I mean, how many points is that? It's literally 25 points, bro. That's a 1-to-2 RR. Really don't want to break my rules that I've set out for myself, which is just going for 1-to-1s. So I'll just do this and I'll take another trade after. Kind of already set those rules for myself, so I really just can't force it. Oh, by the way, I left the limit again yesterday. I did not trade. I did not take a trade. I did not take anything. And I woke up and my accounts were DLL'd when I was trying to go on my flight. I look at my accounts. They're down 2,000 each one of them. And I was like, what the hell just happened? So I'll look at them and they pretty much just DLL'd. Like I was like, all right, well, fuck. I'll show you guys here in just a sec. Let's just manage this trade. We'll see. No way, yeah, bro. It's unfortunate. I mean, if it was like less than if it was like a trade that I took, then it wouldn't be DLL. It would just be like $500 loss and that's it. But I didn't fucking see the account, so all I saw was that they were down, and I was like, what just happened? And I look at them, and it's, where's my stats? I don't know what's happening. I'll just check it here in just a sec. My computer is lagging. My computer is really laggy right now. I don't know if it's just me coming back right now and I need to maybe restart everything and just take it slow, but everything's kind of laggy right now. All right, this 5 minute. If it breaks the 2 down on this 5, I might add 2 more. Or at least 1 more, maybe. Because what I would want to see it do is break that 5 minute to the downside and flip. 15 is about to come to an end too. Not bad. And if it just continues pushing up, then I'll just let it be. Maybe the PC needs some updates. Yeah, probably, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe that's what's going on. We'll just kind of have to wait and see. I'm really tired, bro. I don't want to. I don't even want to deal with it right now. I'll deal with that tomorrow. But I will be on for New York tomorrow. New York Open. I will be on for sure. I'll get on. I'll hop on for New York. So. Wait. It's not. Oh, it is copy trading. Okay. I was about to say, is it not copy trading? Please don't do that to me. But yeah, it is. It is. Just take the 1-to-1. Yeah, that's why I'm like tired from flight, bro. So I'm not gonna force anything crazy. I'll take the 1-to-1. I'll probably get on a eval after this trade and just get on evals and just trade evals for a little bit. So we'll see. Thing is this Gex level is a little interesting. Like this is the only place that we have to get a bounce off of this and continue pushing up, which is what I'm kind of wanting to happen. Or we could just come and chop our way back down. But the problem is we're like, all right, why do we break past it if we're just, why is this bullish price action here? You know, if we're just going to break past it and, you know, rip back down, that doesn't make sense, right? So that's one thing. But it is the only place that we could see a either reaction to the top side or to the downside. I don't think we come to previous day lows anytime soon. I think come maybe towards London or maybe towards Asia Open. But I think we take out a high at least before we do that. So maybe NYPM high is not a bad idea. Just that's the only thing that makes sense, really. But then again, it's like, yeah, it's there. So we'll see. We'll see what ends up happening. I low-key like want to target at least 20 points just because it's like a little bit more passive I'm playing, but 20 points will put me at like $700-800, which is not bad. But I did put a rule in front of me that I will only go for 1-to-1 RRs, so I do have to follow that. Maybe I could have sized in lighter and just had a wider stop loss. But I'm not willing to risk more than 500 for 500. So we'll see. We'll see about that. Slower volume right now, honestly. It's not the craziest volume. I thought it would be the same exact volume that we had right here, but nothing so far. Where did we open up at? We opened up right here. Pushed this low, which we did not break any major lows. And then we were just, oh, whoa, what the fuck? Okay. Breaks past it, then that's that. Let's see. Let's see. Get my signal for exit out ready, just in case. Oh, what am I putting space, bro? I'm clicking space, dude. Control, copy, exit. All right, it's a 12-point stop loss, actually. 12 points, what is this? 12.75? 12.75 point stop loss, so not the worst case. Show us your year to date. You don't want to see that, bro. You would look like an idiot, bro. Genuinely look like a dumbass right now. You know what's crazy? I could say that on YouTube. And I can't say that on TikTok, so I feel happy that I could actually say some shit to you. I'll make you look like a dumbass, bro. I won't even show you year to date. But, yeah, it's okay. Cope, sure, that's fine, bro. Keep trading ICT. Let me know when you get cooked. I've probably withdrawn more payouts than your father has made in the past decade, bro. So I don't want to hear shit. Do you have to pay for TradeFX? Yeah. going to the moon. Hey, that's what I want to see, but this selling pressure. Like, why do we break this then? Why do we push down for what? Okay, cool. I guess. Did it fail this 5? No, it did not. Yeah, if it wants to push up, this is the time. I've been probably looking at platform like this with future copy trading. Yeah, TradeVex, bro. This is what we use to trade. Me and ZZ, and Eddie's been using it as well. Let's send this out to. It's 5 points, not too far. Can you give me an eval? I really need it. No, bro, that's not how it works. I'm more than happy to do more giveaways though. I've already posted one on Twitter, so you guys could tune in to that, and then I'll post another one actually pretty soon. So, planning a lot of things. So yeah, we're so close to SL. Yeah, it's okay though. Oh, and there goes TP. We're out. TP hit, guys. Where's that idiot? What's his name? Where's that dumbass? Senior's shorts. Suck my dick with your mother's lips, bro. Zakram's strategy, IRS, ICR? I don't know, bro. I don't know, genuinely, to be honest with you. I don't know. But again, unfortunately, this account, I'll show you guys what I mean. So we had, where is it? Is it this one? 10? Oh no, it was this one, I think. Yeah. So if you look at July, pretty good, right? Solid July. I really don't know much about Chrome strategy, bro. So I apologize. Don't know much about it. So please, chat with him and ask him about that. But yesterday, I go on my flight. I get on the plane. I am walking towards the fucking terminal. I check my accounts, and they both No, they both hit DLL. Both of them were down 2,000 and something, and I said, "Fuck." Well, that's fucked. But I will give you 12 more. That's funny. Yeah, they both DLL'd. I just don't know where the fuck is the trades for August. What? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. That looks a little bit better. So I had these days. I was not trying to trade yesterday because obviously I was on a flight. And then I look at my accounts and they're just both DLL. Look, you guys can see one trade. If it was like me FOMOing in or taking multiple trades, it would say that. But it shows one trade, right? So I just opened my accounts. I'm like, oh shit. Well, they're both DLL'd. So unfortunately, yeah, that happened, which is fucked, but it is what it is. What can I do about it? Well, I'll try my best to rebuild the accounts back up. This account is still sitting at a decent, let me see, the past 2 months, still 2,500 or about a little bit more probably by now. What about this one? Past 2 months, 5,380, 82 trades. Cool. Yeah, they're pretty stable. They're not bad. It's just that loss was kind of hectic because $2,000 is like a crazy loss. And then this account, I won't speak too much about it, but this account is having it all. Yeah, I've had bad days and I've had good days on this account. But yeah, is this 2 months or is it just a month? Yeah, this account I've had a crazy run on. But anyways, so wow, crazy. Had one more point. Bro, why do you guys like, it's just a point. Just trail. It's just a point. It's 1 point, brother. 1 point. Come on. Bro, I'm so mad. Damn. It was 1 point, brother. 1 point. All right, let me open up TradeC. I do have some, what's called Tradeify evals that I want to trade with you guys too. Let's turn this off. Let's go back to this. Oh, this, sorry. Let me log in real quick. Give me a sec. But yeah, yeah. It's unfortunate, dude. I was upset by that. It kind of hurt. I'm not gonna lie. I was sitting there like, fuck. Like I could have really made something happen. With these accounts, because I could have requested 2 more payouts by the end of this week, but unfortunately, that's not gonna happen. Just because, again, yeah, that bullshit. But what can I do about it now? We just gotta live on and move on. Let's TradeC. Okay, can I just put the entire screen? Like, I don't want to cut it, bro. This shit is lame. All right, fine. I'll cut it. This and this, and we'll put that there. We'll put this down to here. Fire. Boom. All right, there we go. So still on NQ. Still looking for a trade to take. Just watching for now, kind of, because of the way that price action is moving. I don't want to rush into a trade. These accounts, though, on the other hand, the ones that I just took a trade on, I'm going to lock them out immediately because I don't want to fucking get filled on another position that I did not take. I'm not trying to deal with that. I'm not trying to put up with this bullshit because that would genuinely ruin the fuck out of my day. End of session, lockout. Lockout. End of session, lockout. All right, cool. These are both locked, right? All right, cool. This one's locked. This one's locked. And this one's locked. All right, fire. We have locked those accounts out. So now let's watch and see what price wants to do. And then we'll take another trade. Due to spread, that's why we need TradeFX. Should be launching very soon, guys. Should be getting a launch for you guys very soon. Let me grab my drink. The one thing that I missed about Dallas a lot, and that's not a Dallas thing, Kava. All right, so what we want to see, this was open. Just checking where I would want to take my entries from, guys. And I think 74.5 is not a bad place to long from. So I'll draw that out here for you guys, just so that we know. 74, what is this? $74.5. What is this again? 574.5. Okay. You think today's bearish model setup? Let's check. Is it? Is it setting up for it? Let's go on GC. Not yet. Not yet. Soon we should get a setup for it. Let's check gold. Maybe we could take a gold trade. We kind of actually wanted to push out that 4-hour high. Kind of actually wanted that high instead of the low. Gold barcode, I see that, bro. Looks like shit. It looks like shit right now, so more likely not gonna trade that. But we have 574 on NQ. Not a bad spot at all for a long. Not a bad spot at all for a long. We have a demand as well, just right there. So, not bad at all, bro. Am I copy trading? Is this copy trading? Yes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fire. Is there Gex at 74? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, there is. Yes, there is. So, it would be good. It would be good. This would be nice. I'll take that. Do 20. Stop loss? Can I not set stop loss? Oh wow, it doesn't let you. That's cool. Guess I'll just click and drag it. And then I'll do 25. Alright, fire. $74.5. What about 92? 92. No, nothing at 92, bro. Bearish 4-hour doji. I mean, it could break, and what's been happening recently, bro, is it breaks a lower high and then it kind of reverses. So I wouldn't want to go against that. The thing is also that we do have previous day highs, so this trade is a little bit more riskier than the first trade, but that's fine. I think we still get a small retracement before we get a dump again. This could do it possibly off the new candle open, off the new hour open. So do something like this. 20-point stop. We're on a 20-point stop for like a 30-point TP. Man, I missed being home. I'm not gonna lie. I missed being home, dude. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, dude. It feels like forever, but the vacation was absolutely amazing. Hawaii is beautiful, bro. I mean, you guys will see the video coming soon for that. It was absolutely incredible there. Well, how do you find non-copyrighted Pokeballs in Hawaii? I swear, bro. Slap. How do you find not copyrighted music? I want to play some music for us. I guess lo-fi beats would just be fine. Just something calm and chill. But yeah, it was pretty cool, bro. It was pretty cool there. The weather is nice. It's just very hot. Just saying at this point. Yeah, it was super hot. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was extremely hot. But beautiful beaches, weather. Feels amazing there, bro. It's just a whole different feeling when you're over there in an island and you get to just walk around and see beaches everywhere you go, you know? It's completely different, so. Hopefully this new hour gives us the fill. If it doesn't, that would be unfortunate. Now, if it does give us the fill here, just know that I do think you should secure quick. or be quick to secure positions, just because again, we do have previous day lows right here. So it's kind of interesting spot. It wants to come to that. Now, if it retraces, let's see something real quick. Because there has to be a play for that retracement right here that we're about to get. Yeah, there is. Fire. So 57.25 is not bad. Then you have 662. 662 is not bad. 0.75 right there. That's not a bad spot. Oh. Actually, 659. So if it retraces right now, 659, I'll take it for a short. But if it just keeps dumping, which is what I kind of wanted to do, is I'll just take that long from that same place. Just depends on what it wants to do, bro. $20 stop. 30 TP. For this, if I'm taking this, you could run it down more, but for the long, I would say be very cautious. What's your risk per trade on these accounts? Because they're evals, I'm gonna risk 1,000 to make back 1,000, or like 750 to make back 750. But they're evals, so that's why I'm risking 1,000 for 1,000. If there was fundeds, I would risk maybe like 500 for 500, and that's it. It gives me 4 trades on the accounts, and if I'm just that shit, 4 trades back to back, all of them are losses, then at that point, yeah, I deserve to get them blown. I haven't had a losing day or a purpose, a intentional losing day for the past 2 weeks now. A non-intentional losing day where I leave a limit, where I just wake up to a fucking DLL account. Yeah, that has happened. But, yeah. Went to this place. It's a hike called Coco Head over there in Hawaii. And bro, when I'm telling you my legs are sore from those stairs, it is fucking sore, bro. It is genuinely sore. Like I'm worn out, bro. Is Izzy live by any chance? Anybody know? Let's check. He is live. Let me call him on Discord. Also, the announcement for the mentorship winner will be made this week, sometimes this week. We don't know if he's available. Let's see. Check Discord. Let me tell him. I don't think he saw it on Discord.
Hi.
Oh, there he is. Hello.
I hear you, by the way.
I know. I saw you on live. That's why I called.
What's up?
What up, bro? How you doing?
Saw that you booked.
Yeah, bro. It was quick trade. Yeah, pretty cool. Now I'm looking for a long from 74.5 on evals.
74.5. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Same. I have a limit there.
Me too. What are you targeting? 30 points?
I just want 1,000. So I think I'm gonna be in with 10 micros, so 1 mini. Yeah. I don't know how heavy it is. It looks pretty heavy. It looks pretty heavy from like
Bro,
the projection tool,
I took
but
two minis just a few seconds ago, and 17, like it was like 17 points for
oh,
500 bucks.
oh,
Yeah, you might want to size up.
okay.
Yeah. I like the shorts more from the highs if we get a retracement to 659.
Hi, Habibi. Hi, Hayati. What's up? Are you trading? Yes.
He has the same limit on as you as on Q. Yeah, you guys can't hear him on TikTok. I mean on YouTube. Sorry. Does he talk?
You have to, if you have
Oh, there you go. There you go.
if you
Yeah,
have
they can hear you.
music on, then
No, they should be able to hear you. I see it jumping up when you're talking.
what's the? Can you guys see the numbers on the right side or no? Can you guys
What
see
do
the
you mean?
numbers here or no?
Fire.
No. Is that better?
Tells easy to let us see the chart numbers. Lol.
Okay, I just did. What will your stops be? Depending on how it is. So I want to risk 1,000 potentially to make 1,000, because I need 1,000 to be able to request a payout on my Lucid accounts. Can you
Yo,
give me full
AJ,
screen,
unban me from fucking what's it called? Lucid, bro.
I talked to him. I'm talking to somebody. Hopefully, I can.
Unbanana me, man.
Hopefully we can get it. Hopefully we can get you unbanned.
Did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
Bro, what firm should I trade after this?
Funded next or my funded futures?
Yeah.
Those two.
Because
Wait, why are you
right
banned?
now I'm
Because of you guys signal botting me.
Blue Guardian. I don't know. I want to trade accounts that are reasonable for me to trade. That makes sense for me to trade. If I see an account that doesn't make sense for me to trade, then I'm not gonna trade it. Where will your stops be? Depending on, I want to risk 1,000 for 1,000. So hopefully, I mean, underneath these lows. Rapid, my funded future.
Yeah,
Okay,
my
everybody's saying
future
my
would be
funded
nice.
future.
Yeah, my funded futures would be nice.
Everybody's saying my funded
And
future.
they have
You
end of
can
day
pass
now.
them in one day, right?
Yeah, and they have end of day today too.
Okay, so I might be able. Okay, so depending on how fast we book today, I might trade evals with you guys. Just depending on how fast. If it takes an hour or 2 hours, then I'm not gonna trade evals.
Did
with
you hit the
guys,
gym
but
yet or no?
yes, sorry.
You did. Fire.
Yeah.
I have to take my car tomorrow to SKM to get my tires.
Oh, they're there.
Yeah, I left those shits and I was like, alright, fucking, I'm going on a trip. But
Okay,
tomorrow,
let me see
I'll go.
gold. I want to check out
Gold.
gold.
Yeah, let's see how what you think about gold. I want to see your reaction to gold actually. Hold on, let me open your live.
Okay, so longs. Wow. Holy shit.
Do you like gold?
I like it for longs, but it kind of already played out.
I like it for nothing. W
It's
trade my
not
Wi-Fi
bad.
was just screwed me. Damn, bro.
Do you know that push up that we had?
Yeah.
That push up that we had. I
Yeah.
literally called it from the bottom, and I told Cheyenne to hold it, and he never did.
Right.
I literally gave him I told him to hold it from the bottom, but he never did. And some people held it, bro, banked.
That's
A bunch
crazy.
of people banked on that shit.
That's insane.
But I think chat soon, very soon, I'm gonna start trading only live accounts.
Let's go for both. Yo, Turbo, what do you think about my funded futures? I think they're great accounts, honestly. They have the rapid plan I'm really interested in. I just don't know what's going on with my KYC for me to trade them. It just says like I have multiple accounts, which I don't remember making more than one. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't, because I have like 10 emails, bro, but I don't know. So I have to figure that out with them and then trade them. W trade my Wi-Fi just screwed me. Didn't close out my trade. It didn't take. If you didn't make anything in it, it's okay. It's no big deal. As long as you didn't lose, you didn't make anything, it's okay. I'm struggling to pass an eval like crazy or full porting randomly longing of a green candle, and I got fucked on a pullback. I would say, so it takes more. I'm not gonna sit there and like just say, oh yeah, that's because of the trade. It takes more than just the trade. That's the reason that you're blowing these accounts, bro. Like the trade in itself, it could only do so much, but you're sizing up a lot, or at least you're sizing it too heavy, maybe to a point where you're blowing these accounts, right? So I highly recommend maybe sizing down, lowering your size, and just taking multiple trades to pass these accounts. Or reasonable size, at least just a reasonable size. Like, I don't want to tell you what to do, what not to do, but yeah, reasonable size. What is your Gex level based on? Auto blocks plus fibs? No. Gex level is gamma exposure. It's an auto flow tool. Comes from options. It's basically heat levels where there's major support and resistance levels, just to say that. That's basically what it is. Is the audio better? Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I could hear it. It sounds good on my video. Really mad at myself. I tried to go for a 1 to 1.5 and got ran. No. Wow. It's okay. Like, especially for days like this when it goes for a payout. Look, bro, in my eyes, funded, just take them slow. Like, take those 1 to 1 RRs and just go for your winning days and just make as much money as you can. With evals, with any accounts that don't have a cap out, this is where people don't understand where I'm trying to come from when I'm saying you need end of day drawdown and you need a cap out on how much money you make. When you look at unlimited, you're basically looking at a casino. It's pretty much the same shit in my eyes. So like, I love Apex. I've been trading them for a little bit of time now as well. You guys have been seeing I've been banking with them and requesting payouts. But these legacy accounts, I'll never trade. Yes, they don't have a cap out on their accounts and they are absolutely incredible and you could request up to $1 million and you'll be fine. But that opens the door to gambling. And I don't want to do that. I want to just focus on my trading. I want to focus on being a better trader. I want to focus on being consistent. I don't care about that fucking random win that I can get in a day or two and boom, look at me, yay. Now I'm $1 million richer. Well, yeah. How many trades does it take you? So I think accounts that have like consistency rules, they have smaller payout caps, like Lucid has 2,000. Apex end of day drawdown accounts have a $1,500 cap out on the 50K accounts. You have Tradeify at 1,500, shit like that. The way I look at it, those are just better when it comes to being consistent. I would rather request 10 payouts a month than requesting only 2. That's how I look at it. I don't go for less than a max payout. So like the only time I've ever requested a payout just because I requested a payout was on the flight. That video I posted on TikTok. That was the only time I've requested something that was not a max payout because I don't know. So I look at these accounts and I'm like, okay, there's a cap out on the payouts and that's my goal. My target is just that cap and that's it. That's what I look at them now. My psychology shifted completely, like 780 degrees of whatever the fuck, because of Top Step's ban. When Top Step banned me, I was like, what's the point of building a buffer, bro? Genuinely speaking, there was just no point of me building a buffer at that point. Beyond this, like building a 150K buffer and it's just gone in a few seconds over some fucking allegations that are just pure bullshit because, again, none of it was proven. None of it. And even if they do come out and say, okay, well, yeah, he did this, is that, show me. Show me what I did wrong. I show me. And, yeah. So ever since then, bro, I was like, you know what? Just go for those max payouts. Request your money. And step away, bro. And step away. Make your money. I just like ZZ just mentioned right now, I'm going to start venturing into trading more on a live account instead of fundeds, with you guys especially. Just because of limitations that these props are kind of putting on the traders. There's too many limitations. There's too much shit going on right now. The only firm that I truly, truly trust from the bottom of my heart, and I'm speaking this with all honesty, is Tradeify. That's it. That's the only firm that so far has not given me a single issue at all. Every other firm, I've had multiple issues. I've had multiple encounters with them. I've had multiple back and forth battles with them. Just Tradeify. That's the only firm that's like, yeah, what's up? Do you still recommend Alpha? I don't hate alpha. I never hated alpha. I just heard a lot of noise about them recently. When I hear drama happening about a firm like Top Step, for example, when the whole drama happened, I said, guys, step away from Top Step for a little bit, let them figure the shit out, then go back to trading them. I also noticed there's 130 or 40 people watching, but you guys have not dropped a like yet. Drop a like, guys. Drop a like into the live. It means a lot. I would appreciate every single one of you guys. It helps us push this live further. There's 15 likes. So if we could do more, that'd be awesome. But yeah, I think every firm has their own bad, like, I guess you could say time or tough times. If you guys remember, at a certain point, Apex had a tough time and people bashed them, talked bad about them. They came around, they fixed a lot of things. So yeah, yeah, I think it'll be. I think it's just every firm has its own kind of phase. So let alpha deal with the alpha problems. Step back, let them deal with it, and then when they figure it out, go back and trade them. But for now, I would say no, don't trade them. I don't know what's happening, right? I don't know what exactly happened and what was going on. And when there's too much shit going on, there's too much noise. This is when rumors start spreading. This is when lies come in. This is when all types of shit gets thrown onto the bucket. Imagine you're using this, and this is like your bucket, let's just say, right? And someone says something, and it's just one person. This is just one person's opinion. But now you have all these people's opinion into this bucket, and now you don't know what's real and what's false. All you have to do is just sit there and listen to all of it, and you're like, okay, what the fuck do I do? Do you keep trading this, or do you keep using this bucket when there's too many hands in it? No, you take a step back, you wait, and you see what the hell is going on after the fact. Okay, this bucket, they will figure it out. They will say, okay, Alpha will come out and say, hey, this is what happened. This is true. This is false. And then you could start using them. And then you could use them again. But yeah, just brief pause would not hurt, bro. Taking a little bit of pause from using a firm, whether it's any firm in the world, is not a bad idea at all. In my honest opinion, as a beginner, this is for like a complete beginner. If you're on the road to being consistent with payouts, the only firms you should be using is Tradeify, Lucid, and that's it, honestly. Just Tradeify and Lucid. That's it. Now, if you're looking to scale, this is where stuff becomes different. If you've already been getting paid out, but now you're looking to scale your trading, you've built a decent foundation. This is where Apex comes in. This is where My Funded Futures comes in. This is where TPT comes in. This is where all of these other accounts that have different rules come in. But for beginners, Tradeify is my top number one. Lucid is my second, even though I'm banned with them. Even though I am banned, keep that in mind. Even though I am banned, I'm still recommending them as a firm because I just think what happened with me was wrong. I don't think the firm was shit. I don't think so. I think what happened with me in the way that it was handled was very, very childish, bro. Like for a business to be run that way, it was in my eyes very childish. So, yeah, that's just the way I view it. Yeah. Can you show me a failed to up and down? A failed to up would be like the daily time frame on NQ. Let me put that up right here. So what you'll see right now is this is a 2 up. This candle is a 2 up. So this broke the previous candle's highs, not the lows, right? The next candle broke the high of the previous candle. So this candle right here broke the candle's previous high, but it failed to push higher. The reason why, it wicked and came back down, and it closed inside the previous candle's range. So it closed right here. So remember, every single candle has this own lifespan: open, high, low, close for a bearish candle. For a bullish candle, open, low, high, and close. So in this case right here, candle opened up, created that high, came back down, created that low, and closed over here. If the candle broke past this point, this is where you see a trending market, right? And it failed that trend, and instead it reversed. Guess what what does that mean to you? That sellers stepped in. There's obvious selling aggression that's happening, and we're more likely to get a retracement. I'm not saying we're going to just dump back down towards the low. It's possible, but we have little wick right here. Wow, that's barely a wick. Wow. But yeah, it's more than likely to give you that retracement for you to either continue that long move or to just dump. Just from there, it depends, right? But yeah. I need to bank on this long. So I'm looking for a short at 5.9 and I'm looking for a long at 74.5. Let me also check one more thing. Yeah, this is not a bad idea. 59 is not a bad place. I'll run it with a 20-point stop. So it's one of the two. Not really in a rush. One of the two is going to play out or is going to fill us, and I'm more than happy to take. Pass my eval, baby. Let's go. Yo, Z.
Anything but trading, bro. Anything but trading. What's up?
I am taking 659 for a short.
29.
659.
Valid.
I think that's the only place that I would want to see it reject from, towards the daily low.
You said 29?
659. That's about 24 points away right now.
Oh my god, this shit just resetted everything. Are you fuck? Oh my god, dude.
The only place, like, oh my god, we have so much room if we don't use this. If we don't do that with that high, bro, we have like...
Chat, it literally resetted all my settings. Just
913,
now,
holy.
fuck, dude.
Which do you think is better if it comes up? What? I mean, both are pretty okay. Preference-wise, I would want the long, to be honest. It's because I feel like we'll get this retracement, but this could lead into a chop and then get a dump. But we're 20 points away, so hopefully we get filled here in a little bit. Minute 30 maybe. Z, what are your top firms right now in your eyes? What are the top firms? Give me 3.
Tradify,
Okay.
Lucid, Apex.
Tradify, Lucid,
Three
Apex.
different prop firms and 3 different accounts, really. So, I'm like, if you're trying to get daily payouts, Tradify for sure. If you're trying to get instant funded accounts, Tradify also for sure. If you're trying to get 5 days payout with no consistency or whatever, Lucid. If you're trying to get an account that you take like a growth account, you should choose pro accounts with Lucid. If you're trying to scale your trading, Apex.
Wait, this guy said Tradify is nice, but it is just more expensive. This is where it comes in. If the problem for you is finances, like, okay, I can't buy this many accounts or I can't pay this much for an account, Apex. It's the cheapest between all of them, and they do pay out. And that's it. It's the cheapest one. So, like, for example, you can get those. Don't get the what's it called? Get the no activation accounts. They're still cheaper than any firm out there. Like Lucid and Apex right now, when you look at them, same exact rules, same exact everything. But yeah. Apex holds ZZ's latest payout. Yeah.
That's turbo. Apex needs to get on Trade C-Wave. Hell no. You have Trade FX for that. Fuck. What Apex
Do you
account
think the
recommend
Lucid?
getting? 0 activation. For sure.
Hold on.
0 activation.
Do you think the Lucid dailies are good? To be honest, no. Just because it's end of day. If they come out with, I mean, it's intraday, sorry. If it was end of day, 1000%. Yes. Like, if it was end of day, that would be game change, bro. That'd be fucking crazy, bro. That would be insane. That would be an insane fucking firm. That would be absolutely crazy, bro. But Just because it's intraday, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. It seems like just like another TPT. No difference at that point. No activation fees on Tradeify, so it's not expensive. We're just no. I'm saying get the no activation or get the no activation fee covered on Apex. Those are like $250 for like literally a full bundle of 5. So yes, like if you pass them, and that's what I'm saying. If you pass the account, then you have to activate it. That's when you worry about the activation. But until you don't, if you don't pass the account, bro, just don't worry about it, right? So if you're struggling when it comes to like, all right, this is costing me a lot of money, the best solution is to go on Apex, buy a 5 stack of accounts. All right, we might get filled right here. Let me let Z know too.
I don't think I'm gonna take this short.
I'm almost getting filled. It's 13 points away. 29 659.
I mean,
9 6.
chat shorts might be the play. I'm looking at the. Looking at the 4-hour.
Yeah, get those accounts because they're cheap. Buy the stacks. Use code EQNX. Nobody else's code is worth your fucking money or time, bro. Anyways, buy the 5 stacks. When you pass the accounts, then you worry about, all right, let me activate them because at least now it's funded. And that's it. You're good to go. We're almost getting filled here. We're 11 points away. Let's chat with ZZ real quick. So 5 stacks with no activation. So if activation fee is passed, right? You pay the activation if you pass. If you don't pass the account, don't pay the activation, right? But if you pass, then you worry about the activation. Then you're like, all right, you know what? It's time for me to activate these accounts and move on. That's the way I would go about it if I was worried about money personally, because again, it's going to lower that risk that I'm putting up front. Like you're buying evals for, let's just say $150. That's 1 or 2, let's just say 2 evals. You're putting another $100 on top of that, and you're buying 5 accounts. Not 1 or 2. You're buying 5 accounts. If you pass one of those 5 accounts, then you activate it for another like $80 or $100, and that's it. You get to trade a funded account. That's it, right? So that's the way I view it. Like that's just my point of view on it. Is like that's how you minimize that upfront cost. Curious on how many minutes YT. It's like a 5-second, 15-second delay, bro. It's a 5-second to 10-second delay. Nothing too crazy. Kodan's on top, yes sir. That's got you. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, bro. Honestly speaking, that's not a bad idea. And then whenever like look at this. This is with your trading, right? This is with your trading. When you start, let's just say your budget is $1,000. $1,000. You're risking however much, right? And then after that, what? Okay. Oh, we might get that long. Maybe. Nope. Doesn't look like it gives a shit. Say you start with 1,000, you get yourself a $1,500 payout. Now your budget is $1,500. Say you spent 500 and you left another 500, so your total budget now is 2,000. You take that 2,000, you buy more accounts, you double it again, 4,000. When you start moving up to the $10,000 range, and more than when you start paying for more expensive accounts that are like no activation, daily payouts, stuff like that. When you go into the 50K budgets and 20K, 30K, 40, 50, whatever budget, that's when you're like, okay, you know what? Now it's time for me to up this and start using these more expensive accounts. If you guys want a more of like in-depth YouTube guide on how you guys could set up budget and create a trading plan, I could more than happy to do that. I mean, type of 1 in chat. Who wants that? Type of 1 in chat. I want to see how many people want that. Let's see. Only one person wants that? Yeah, can you do scale plan? Yeah. Yeah, I could create a video about scaling plan. That's not a big deal. I think a lot of people would take use of that because I don't see a lot of people talking about the scaling plan. People just talk about trading and just yap off with like it's unlimited money, but it's not unlimited money. It's actually just ROI. That's all it is. How to scale more accounts. It's not just, but that's the whole point, right? So you don't, the people are just coming out with videos about how to scale accounts, which, I mean, it's a rinse and repeat, bro. Like everyone says the exact same thing. Just scale them by sizing up, managing your risk, putting stop loss, fixing your psychology, buying more accounts. It's the same old shit. Like, but nobody's talking about how you guys can go about budgeting and setting a specific budget amount of how much you should be trading. We just got like 10-point edge, so that's amazing. What I really want, I mean, I knew that 30 minutes just opened up. I wanted to break this high and then come down. And if it breaks this low, then I'll look for maybe a long. It's just risky though. I don't think I'll take that. I would look for the long here still. The only way I would long is right here. That's the only place that's worth my long. Alright, let's check on Z. You seeing this, bro?
Huh?
Are you seeing this shit?
We're dropping, yeah. I'm seeing it. And I'm over analyzing right now.
I'm either long or short. One of the two. If it's gonna go up to that high, I'm gonna take short. If it goes up, just goes down, I'm taking that long.
Yo, these are tough.
What?
Nutella biscuits.
Oh, the circle ones?
Yes.
Oh, them bitches gas.
That's tough.
That shit hard. That big guy. I like shorts right here. Crazy, bro. Be careful from the 30-minute break. Oh, and
Oh my god.
maybe we get that long entry.
Bro, I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared of that push down, bro. That's an aggressive push down.
I like it.
Chat, if we lose today, we blame it on Turbo, okay?
Facts. Can we please? Fill me.
That dumb man.
Fill me.
Fill him, bro.
Fill me.
Where are you gonna get filled? 85?
Fill. 74.5.
Okay.
Fill me. Fill me.
Having a good time, bro.
Fill. Please fill me. Yes, fill me. No, dump down. Fill me. Harder on Q. Harder. Push down harder.
Odds.
Break that inside bar. Yes. Break the inside bar and push harder.
Yes, push harder. Give it to him harder.
Give it to us.
Okay, give it to us.
Oh, I'm too tired to be doing this, bro.
Yeah, bro. Even people are getting scared in the chat.
Yeah, they're acting brand new now.
That's what Turbo says when I give him back shots. Facts.
Oh, okay. All right. We're bearish on the hourly. It's gonna be a
So
problem.
you trade
No.
fibs now? Yeah. I'm implementing fib in my the way I trade. Bro, I feel like I'm gonna get on, bro, this trade.
We should get a little bit of a retracement at least. So like a 1 to 1.5, I'll definitely go. Like a 1 to 1, I'll go break even. At 20 points of profits, I'll go break even, bro.
Bro. Oh my god, look at gold, bro. Holy
Take a hit. Let's
shit.
go.
Gold is flying.
Is it actually?
Oh my god, gold.
That's fire.
Bro,
Actually, that's
gold
really
is-
good. That's really good. There's a level on gold.
Oh my god. Gold is ripping.
There's a level on gold.
Yo,
Wait.
our model played out to the fucking T. Bro.
Oh my god, what?
Our model played out to the T.
I didn't even see
On gold.
that. Fuck. When did it break the? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Dawn. And Q. Dawn. Not here.
Oh my
No.
god.
No. No. No.
Why?
No.
Why would you do this?
Oh
And
my
Q.
God.
And Q. Hey, 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 bro. It's right there. It's right there.
There's no way it's a 7.9, bro.
No. Fuck no.
There's no way. Damn, we should have added 5 here. And limited another 5 down here. Because right now, if this goes back down, bro, I don't... That's even scarier.
No, I like it. Go down.
He likes it.
Go down.
Bro,
Just go down.
Oh my god, gold is fucking flying.
Yeah.
Holy shit, 32 points.
That's sad.
Yo. Hold on.
That's low key sad, bro.
Hold on, chat. Hold on. Oh my god. There's a fucking insane level on gold, bro. Hold on. There's an actually insane level on gold.
Oh, wait, and Q. And Q. And Q.
Chat. Hold
Yeah,
on.
gold is flying, bro. Gold is...
There's an insane level for shorts on gold.
Gold is flying right now.
370? Chat, 370. Right here. Dead homies.
Oh.
Dead homies right here.
And Q. And Q. And Q. And Q. And Q. And Q. Stop! Yo, bro. Okay. Sunyan. Yo, bro.
Oh my god, we're about to get fucking railed.
It's... Oh my god. Okay, good. No. Go down. No! Fuck. Okay, go down, yes. Break this candle 2 down and then flip. Break it 2 down and flip.
I think we're asking for too
We'll come
much
back out.
here, man.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. I don't think so.
I'm thinking about adding 5 here. I'm thinking about entering with 5 and then adding 5 at the lows.
Yeah, why not? If you want to. Bro, I missed Kava so much. And Chipotle. Bro,
Okay, we're gonna sit.
We're
We're gonna sit on it, chat. We're gonna sit on it, okay? We're not gonna do that.
We dead ass right
Even
now?
though that I really want to add 5 right now and potentially limit another 5. Do you miss doing a 1 to 2 RR? Hell no. Fuck no. No, I miss it, but I will do it on like live accounts. I wouldn't do it on.
Rami said L Turbo. What did I do? What did I do to him?
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know what I did to him. He said LARPer I Turbo. Okay, sure. You see, a lot of people say this stuff, and then I go to Ram and I'm like, yo, someone said this. He's like, bro, I don't know what they're talking about. Here, look.
All right, I'm in with 5 here. Long or short, I'm in longs right now. Take this bullshit out.
He said, "Who's Galaxy, bro?" He said, "Who are you?"
Well, thank you. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses.
Turbo, he's talking so much.
Have you seen gold? Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah, GC shorts are speaking to me. Bro. I want to take them with ZZ, but I'm afraid of them. I'm not gonna lie, because gold I haven't traded in a minute now. I actually traded gold yesterday. Not bad. Day before yesterday, bro. I still, Z. I slept on the flight, so I'm still thinking today is yesterday.
Nice. All right, we're in this chat right here. Potentially want to add more down here if we do come down there.
Move the limit a little bit up. No, I'm gonna leave it here, bro. The thing is, what I want to see is the next 15 come down, break a 2 down, and then flip. I hope that happens. We have about 1 more minute, so we'll see. But yeah, Ram said nothing bad, bro. Ram is like one of the very few people I could say that I could humbly speak about in a good way, because he has no he's never been the person to take a corner or take a side. Sorry. He's been always neutral. He's never dissed anyone in specific that doesn't need to be dissed or talked about. He's never shit hated or just purely been envious about something. And that's what I care about the most when it comes to people is envy. Envy is a crazy thing and it kills a lot of people. And I think he's the only person in the time of the whole Jordy situation, he was the only person that was like, yo, I gotta give respect to him. He's doing his thing and that's it. He wasn't the combo when you have with him, he wasn't envious. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. So that's what I respect about him a lot. When I spoke to AB and I told him how was Ram when you met him, he said a lot of good about him. So I do want to meet Ram eventually. All right, new 15 right here. I want to see us break and flip. I think we're going to break this 15-minute flip. Z. Fill me. No. 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 Not again. No. 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 It broke it. It broke the 15-minute. Son?
Sanyan!
Yes, thank you. I got filled. All right, we got filled. All right, now we flip this.
Oh my god, 10 more minutes and Asia opens.
Oh shit.
Trade GC instead.
Yeah, 7 points, 8, 10 points right here, guys.
Told you guys, I'm scared if it ends up going down to here, I'll be more scared of this will continue to push down. Because, oh my god, look at this fucking 4 hour now.
I think we get a small retracement here for at least 30 points.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Patient would have paid out. I know. But it's okay. I mean, our entry is not that bad.
531. What, you want to see 531, bro?
Swallow shit, go.
Shit, I hope you get filled, bro.
That's like 15 points. Oh my god, that's a lot actually. That is a lot. But it's chill. You think clungs are the play? Let's see.
That's not a good dump. That's not good.
Yeah, I looked at the 4 hour and like it kind of the previous 4 hour gave me the thought of like we want to retrace back down because we've been bullish, very bullish.
Do we come for previous day lows though today?
Oh! Look at that daily, bro. Oh.
Yeah, the daily on NQ is wild, yeah. It's failing. Buyers are trying.
They're not
We are
trying hard
doomed.
enough.
I think we just be patient, bro. We have 10 minutes, so if we get stopped, it's a 1-to-1. It's literally 20 points.
This 5 minutes to flip. Oh hell no, we have 5 seconds. First 5. Well, fuck. 10 more minutes. Alright. This 5 minute genuinely needs to give us something.
Yeah.
Because if it breaks, so if it breaks that demand on the 5 and breaks the lows, bro, there's really no point for me to stay in that trade. The other thing that I can do, use that same level that we entered off for longs. I can use it for a retracement into a short continuation.
There we go.
Wait,
Buyers stepping up. Come on. Bring it up.
I thought we had a gap, bro. That's what I say.
There goes. Come on. Step it up, buyers. Step it up. Pump it up.
Buyers.
We about to pump it up. Don't you
We're gonna watch. We're gonna go up to that supply, that on the 1 minute, and then we're gonna retrace, and then we're gonna fall.
My TP would get hit by then.
Okay, W's. Hell no, my TP's not even close. I'm very like this right here. This supply is the supply that we need to break. If we don't break that supply, bro, I would really be shaking in my boots. Not gonna lie to you guys. It would really be interesting to, if we break this supply, then we're good, we're solid. But if we don't,
I would go break even if my TP was higher than that supply. I would go break even when it hits that supply, because yeah, it is scary. I'm not gonna lie.
because that's the only zone that we want to tap into before we want to continue the short move. If we get a retracement right here, which we need to, because we're at a very important level for a retracement. So we need to get a retracement here. Like, we have to. Unless sellers step in, unless somebody like Trump leaks his nudes.
So, only thing that okay. I mean, it's 10 points again, but this supply is, yeah, like Zizi mentioned, this supply is a little scary. I would be careful of that. Other than that, I'm not really worried about it too much, bro. I think we get a retracement. Just don't know how deep of a retracement we'll get. So I would be more than happy if it hits my TP here in just a few seconds. Would be cool. We are not even close to breaking that 5 minute. So it would be pretty cool if we could break that 5 minute any second now. There's equal lows below amount, man. Hey, good luck, bro. It's okay. I'm not looking at this to continue pushing up higher. I would see this just for a retracement. Like I said, we have previous day highs, so it is a little scary, which I'm fine with the risk. If you're not, then feel free to exit, bro. It's up to you. That's 10 points again. That selling pressure is that's kind of bringing in is a little scary. Just because of the way that's like kind of wicking down. It's like it wants to set up, but it is a little scary. Not gonna lie, so it's pretty cool to see. I'm glad I'm on evals, so. Would be dope though if we get this move up. I do look at this and I'm like kind of scared of this low. I mean this high, sorry, right here. So I ideally wanted to just retrace to that, and then we get a reaction. But yeah, are you doing a challenge in the Discord? I want to. It's just I don't want to get banned again, bro. I genuinely don't want to get banned again because that was annoying. Like I've lost out on a lot of money just doing a challenge. With Lucid, you know, I lost out a lot of money because I could have been using them right now. Great firm, they pay out, so yeah. Don't like the way that it's reacting. All right, 5 more minutes and we have the new hour, guys. Did we close off this 5-minute side? We did. So that's not the best. Let's see how it breaks it here. Okay, it just broke it. Let's see how it does here when it breaks. 3 bar it would be sick. What's a trade without a little bit of drawdown? Bro's paper trading, what a scammer. Go check my Twitter, bro. Posted more payouts than you've probably seen in your whole life. That's whale. Oh, my bad, bro. I apologize. I did not see your name. Oh, shit. My bad, bro. My bad. I apologize. I did not know. I swear. All right, there we go. Beautiful flip. We should go for a TP. We should be golden for TP. What are we doing? NQ. Come on, come on. TurboTrades won, bro. That's my Twitter. Bro, clap back so quick. I did not know. I just thought it was the other guy, that one kid. I don't fucking know his name. Seems like I have obliterated his whole and forgot to pay him. Okay, 2 more minutes, guys, for the new hour. Anything could happen. So if you want to exit with risk-free right now, feel free to exit right now. It's around break even. Personally okay with holding, so yeah. This is chopping, bro. This is chopping. That 15-minute, the new 15 is gonna be scary. In one more minute.
We need this 5-minute to break at 3.
In 1 more minute, bro. That's all we got. 1 more minute.
We're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked.
We good. We good. Where's your TP at?
Bro, TP is at 37.
Ah?
Yes.
637. What the fuck are you aiming for? Holy shit. What the fuck? Where's your stop loss?
51 points, bro. Huh?
You remember that trick? Which one? Alicia? Bro, no. We're not doing that, bro. We're not doing that. No, Alicia. No. I'm not dealing with that. $37 is a stretch. I'm not gonna lie to you, Z.
10, 9.
But when you said there's a will, there's a way. So we got this. I believe in you.
3, 2, 1. Flip.
Oh shit.
No.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I might be out. And the way it's selling, I'm definitely gonna get out. Yep, I'm out. NQ longs stopped. Out. Unforge. Negative, what is this? Negative 20 points. Okay, cool. Wait, no, don't do that.
Yes, do that.
What do you mean?
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, you're still in.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah. Don't do that.
We're fucked, chat. We're fucked. We're fucked. It's over. It's over. It's over. Yeah. Wow.
You're
hate to
effing
see
terrible. I banked
bias
on my
was
fundeds,
right.
bro. This is just on evals. I hope you know that.
Hate to fucking see it, bro. Our bias was right. My bias was right. I knew that 4-hour fucking flip, bro. Oh my god.
Hmm. I'll beat that ass. Why is it doing what I'm seeing it do right now?
Bro, I want to hear your voice, please. Let it do it.
Oh my god.
All right, here's the real deal right here, right here. This is the most recent supply. If we hold this supply, we're good. If we dump from it, we're fucked. Bro, these bots. Holy shit! Why am I gonna take a loss when I have 1,500 people watching? Why? Whenever I'm winning, I have like 800 people on.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay, bro. It's not okay. It's not
I'm not afraid
I am.
to take a step. Bro, has not changed. Well, where you at, bro? We missed you. Want to see you tomorrow for New York. I want to hear your voice, bro. I'm better trading at 17. Yeah, you wish, bro. Keep dreaming, gang. You guys think you're rage baiting me, but that's not working, bro. Like, I don't know. Who lied to you? Show me one 5-figure payout that is above mine, and maybe we could talk.
Come on and kill.
Turn off the green screen, bro.
Oh my god. Yes. Break the highs.
Thank you.
Break the highs, please.
Thank you. What are we doing, son?
Please break the highs. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? No, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is what I said. This is what I said. This should be the fucking continuation entry, bro. This is the continuation entry for shorts. This is literally the continuation entry for shorts right here. Yes, flip, please.
Miss you, man, on TikTok. What up, bro? Oh. Yeah, we can go up. This is gonna go up.
Oh my god, we've fried.
No, I think you're good, bro.
It might be fries. Oh my god, this 15 is flipping, yes. Or no, that's not 50. Yeah, well, this 15 is flipping too.
I want that 30 to
We need a
flip.
stronger
I wanna
push,
I wanna buy
dude.
in again. If we close bullish right here in sidebar, I'm gonna buy in off the break.
I don't think that's a good idea.
No, I like it.
Okay.
All right, I'm buying in. I like this, guys. I'll risk 1,000 again.
Come on, chat. Come on,
What was
chat.
that 30-minute?
All right, everybody buy in right now. Everybody buy in. Let's push this market up. Yeah, we're not gonna do shit.
I want to see this 30-minute flip to being bullish.
Can we break the highs? Can we break the most recent highs, please?
Let me send down my
I'm
intro.
buying. Everybody buy, chat. Everybody buy.
29.
Not a financial advice, but we need to move the market somehow.
5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. Stop loss is at 29, 5, 33.5. Risky trade. Guess I'll just go for a 1-to-1 again.
I called my papa. I told him to liquidate all his and buy Nasdaq W. All right, chat. Sell your kidneys, sell your balls, anything. Just put it on the market. Buys right now.
Why does he
Please,
look like
chat.
Hassan Pakr? What is that? Buy with no breakup structure. I don't really care about breakup structure, but I don't trade ICT bullshit.
Yes, break. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, 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 okay. Don't flip. Okay, this is the level. This is the level, chat. This is the level right here. No, no, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here.
Yo, Z, you targeting 32, you said?
37.
I'm targeting 32.
Alright,
Ah!
what do you want from me, bro? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I've been trading in peace. Go back to fucking Hawaii. Leave me alone.
20 points right here.
Eddie said I lost my virginity this trade. Holy. I just lost.
This shit is not live,
My
son.
king
It is live, bro.
because of this trade. No, that's crazy. Buy, 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 buy. Everybody click buy. Fuck. No,
It
actually
is
no.
live.
Holy shit.
I just don't trade ICT bullshit, bro. Like, I don't have to wait for a break of structure, whatever the fuck, to trade. If I see a trade, I see a trade. That's it. Doesn't fucking matter if it's a break of dick or unicorn this and that. Fuck all that bullshit. Can't really tell. This is just on a evals with 50k evals from Tradeify, bro. That's all it is.
Break even instead? No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. If we break this level,
This is Trade C, by the way, for the people wondering.
I'm dumping all my Nasdaq future shares, bro. Relax, 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 please, relax.
There
Chill,
goes.
chill, 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 chill,
Break
chill.
it. Break. Break. No. Once it goes above this or inside of this a little bit deeper, I'm going to go break even, guys. If it doesn't, then I'll just let it be. Should I go for a 1-to-1? Or should I just go for a 1-to-2? Guess I'll go for a 1-to-1 and I'll wait for New York tomorrow. Oh, unless it just does that. Doesn't look like gives a shit about me. No. And flip. Yo, that 15-minute is fucking wild, bro. That 15-minute is fucking retarded. I mean, Z, how you doing, bro?
Shut up!
Oh, I'm out. I just said the R on his TikTok live. I hope he doesn't get banned. Fuck. I hope he does not get. Okay, he did. Okay, cool. Yeah, no. Unfortunately, I'm gonna go report it right now. No. I don't think he would get banana because of that, bro. But unfortunate. Eval's not a bad day. On funded's pretty okay day. Not really too worried about it. So come back in tomorrow in New York and run it back again. Since it's the losing day, I'll go ahead and do a giveaway for you guys on Discord. Since it's like quote unquote a losing eval day, then I'll give you guys some accounts. Just like lost 5k. How? I lost 2,000. How'd you lose 5k? Giveaway create. So 2 hours. 5 winners. Do 5 winners. Actually, do 10 winners. Prize, we're going to do 25k select. Well, could fix this. Maybe. Wow, NQ. Wow. Wow, bro. Channel. Giveaways are fire, bro. Just do 25k select accounts for a giveaway again. Trades with no breakup structure. I don't really give a fuck about breakup structure, bro. I have not gotten a single payout from breakup structure, bro. Guess what I've gotten paid out from? The way I trade. Simple. So supply and demand, basic fucking market concepts to me, and some shit that makes sense is more than a breakup structure, whatever the fuck. Because some idiot on ICT would say, okay, this is a breakup structure, and some idiot would say, oh, this is the breakup structure. So. It's so funny reading people blow their account. When you upload on a 50k, hey, good luck, bro. I'm personally done. Took 3 trades, more than I'm supposed to actually, but yeah. Those GC shorts played out, really? Yeah. Didn't look bad for it. From where? Wow, 340. These were the top tick that. Go into another trade like a good boy. No, I'll get another payout like a good boy, and I'll go spend it on your mom. Guess what? That's what I'll do. I'll go get another payout and drop it on your mama. Go eat a burger with no one invested. How do you find daily bias? Look at the daily time frame. See what's the candle. So is it a fell to up, fell to down, the previous one? And on top of that, what you want to look at is the 4 hour. So daily 4 hour, especially during Asia, those two are very important. But for New York, you want to look at the daily and you want to look at the hourly and 4 hour. Those 3. So yeah, L rage bait. That's what I'm saying. He's not really rage baiting me. I don't know if he's trying to, but It's not working, bro. Yeah. You decide about what side of the bed you wake up on. Yeah, you flip a coin. That's what ICT preaches. You're a burger? Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That means I'm yummy. Thanks, man. I don't understand. Like, if you're trying to rage bait me, I don't know if you know, but I just came back from low cortisol places, bro. I just came back from Hawaii, okay? And it was pretty relaxing over there. So rage baiting me today is not going to work, bro. Like, at all. Unfortunately, you're just going to look like a dumbass. So, yeah. I'm pretty calm. Like you're seeing, the music is pretty chill, relaxing. So I'm not really worried about it. I requested 42. So it's pretty good for a day. It's pretty chill. It's a pretty awesome day, really. Feels great. So that was hard. Yeah, I mean, it's not my fault, bro. Like, if you're mad, just go be mad somewhere else, bro. What can I do? Should travel if I want. I would love to, bro. I would love to, genuinely speaking. Here, if you didn't see this, maybe, can I not paste it on trades? Yeah, I can't. That's unfortunate. Oh, yeah, go check it out on my Twitter, bro. Like, you could see all of this on my Twitter. I post a lot. I'm trying to get more active on there. So, grown man talking about some local as well. I'm 24, bro. Not, I mean, yeah, you could say I'm grown. That's awesome. That's amazing, bro. That's actually a great thing. Here. Yes, I am trading New York for sure, bro. I am absolutely trading New York. 1000%. I'm excited for New York, actually. I haven't traded New York in a long time. But here, I'll show you something. Look. This was requested. Done. So, this was on the flight. This was all on vacation. This was another payout I requested not too long ago. When was this? July 29. Okay. Yeah. This was another one. This was when? July 28th. Oh, okay. We could keep scrolling down. Oh, this was when? July 27th. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, I forgot to post one more, which was July something. I don't remember the exact date, but I know it was in July. Forgot to post that one, so my bad. I should have posted that too. Yeah. Oh, this is a watch that I bought, obviously from Trading Profits. Oh, this is my live account, which is way higher now, by the way. It's a lot more. This was when I went live with Tradeify, bro. This is just payouts with Tradeify, something like 1,500, nothing too crazy. Oh, this was another statement from May 9th, so not bad. Show me one person. I mean, let's go and compare it to your favorite mentor. And keep in mind, he has blocked me, FYI. But I still don't see a single statement showcasing his profits and how much money he's deposited into his account. Or anything, actually, in that sense. Let's check photos just to be sure. Media. Let's check. Nope, not a single thing. Nope. You know, there's a reason for that. Anyone that makes money through trading would be more than happy to post their profits, because you know why? Let's say you are a Discord seller. Let's just say you are a mentor. Let's just say you are an influencer in the trading space, and you want to build a little bit of recognition, right? You want people to know who you are, right? You want people to see who you are, right? So when you make a certain amount of money from trading, you're 1000% going to be more than happy to flex that and show that. So, yeah. When you don't, then that's when it's a little bit interesting. Okay, NQ. Oh. NQ. Yeah, fuck you, NQ, bro. Fuck NQ, bro. Some bullshit. It's okay. Explaining the LARP. Sure, bro. I mean, if you want to consider it LARP, go ahead and consider it LARP all you want. The way I look at it is if you're claiming something, you prove it, and that's it. I mean, I'm more than happy to hop on a call with you on Discord and chat, and I hope I could help you, bro. I'm genuinely speaking. I really don't mean like any bad stuff that I said about you. I hope, you know, I could help you in some way, dude. That's all. If I can't, then oh, well, that's unfortunate. It is what it is. Can't help everyone. But if you think it's LARP, it's LARP. If you think it's not LARP, it's not LARP. I have nothing to prove to you. I mean, people believe me, people don't want to believe me. It's up to them, bro. Do you know anyone that keeps a low profile even after consistently profitable, or is necessary to post on social media to help others, just like you are doing? So, if you want to, like, if you don't want to be an influencer, you don't want to be a creator, you don't want to be a mentor, then I don't see the reason why you would post, right? So I don't post my options trades, for example. I don't talk about those, which I do make a decent amount of money from too. But I don't talk about that because I'm not a mentor when it comes to options, not anymore at least. So there's just no point in that. But when it comes to futures and stuff like that, I would post it. See, like, you have the choice to do that and to not do that. I've seen many people that trade and make money through trading, and yeah, like, they would be posting and they would showcase that, hey, this is how much money I made. So I think it's just like, if you're profitable, you have no reason to hide it, bro. Like, you have nothing to hide. But when you do, then you do. Let's see. Bro, I got fucked. Yeah, me too, dude. I don't need evals though. It's not that big of a deal. Maybe you should focus on your inner hura instead of money and blind monetary positions. I mean, sure, if that's what you want, bro, you do you. I mean, I don't have to do what you want me to do, right? I am my own human. I do what I want to do, right? And that's it. Simple as that. I'm not here asking for advice or asking for opinions. Do you know? Yeah. Check on ZZ still on. Yeah, he should be. Z. What's going on? Are you still live?
Yeah.
Okay, fire. I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't want to say something because I don't want to end up getting him banned. I'm on YouTube. Do you have a Discord Ekin? What? Yeah, Rayan don't be wanting to post and he'd love to help people. Doesn't, like, again, it pulls, it attracts. Like, when people see, okay, this person is making a decent amount of money, from what are they making? A good amount of money. And I've never denied the fact that I make money off of my Discord, off of affiliates, and off of also my mentorship and my trading too. So I've never denied that, and I've never heard that from anybody. But am I going to be a course pusher? What's a course? A course is something that they give you a model on. Hey, A, B, C, D, and this is what you're going to follow, and that's it. I don't have a course. I have a Discord. There's a huge difference between them. And if you're illiterate and you can't understand that, that's on you, bro. How long did it take you to get where you are? A long time, bro. A lot of time. So I started trading in 2020 when Roaring Kitty popped up and GameStop and what's it called? GameStop and AMC pumped up. It was a complete gamble. I put a lot of money to options because at that time it was the unemployment money that I was getting. And I put a lot of money to options, to be honest, and ended up making a decent amount of money. It was just a gamble, though. Keep that in mind. It was just a fucking gamble, bro. So I did that, and guess what? I made money. Fuck you and Q for moving up right now. I hate you, but hey, it's okay. It is what it is. Anyways, yeah, I made a decent amount of money. I flipped my account from like $7,000 to $28,000, and then from 28 to 44, and I lost it all using SPX. I was on SPX and I lost it all of it. I did it again. I built a 5K account to 25. Again, lost it all. So it was pretty hectic from when I first started, but then slowly it took time again. It took time for me to realize that I needed something different. I can't just follow everything and that's it. You kind of have to learn it on your own. Like you have Ram as the best example, ZZ is the best example of this, and Eddie as well. You see a lot of people say like trading, you have to be trading for a long period of time for you to start making money off of trading, and this is that. Well, look at Eddie. He's been trading for a little bit of time and he's already made 50K in payouts. Look at ZZ. He's been trading for literally a year and he's been live with TPT, Tradeify, Top Step, Apex, I hope so soon, and Lucid, I hope so soon. So he's almost going live with all these firms, right? And I'm not talking about myself because I don't want to just put me in, that's it. But that's a year. That's a year, right? So, yeah, that's the way I look at it, right? So, there's no such thing as like a set time that you have to be in to trade. It just takes time for you to lock in and actually, it's on you. It's on you in the way you trade it. I've uploaded videos that talked about it. When I used to vape, I used to vape a lot. I used to smoke a lot of vape. And I talked about this in the video. So if anybody watched it, I'm just repeating what I said in the video. But I used to vape a lot. And one time I woke up in the morning and I used to live with my mother and I was looking around for my vape and my mom was like, what are you looking for? And I'm running downstairs, keep that in mind, like from the second floor all the way down to see where the vape is at. And I'm like, I'm tweaking. Where the fuck is the vape? And she said, are you seriously that down bad that you're like, this is addiction. You're like a drug addict right now. No difference between you and someone that's out in the street, just homeless. There's no difference between you two. And you have to realize that if you want to make the change, you make it today, right now. You don't make that change tomorrow. You don't make that change the next month or next year. You know, the gym is the best example of that. When you look at the gym, you see in January, February, right? Guess what happened? All right, you're giving people a bad experience now, so I'm gonna have to kind of get you out of there, bro. Like, you seem too annoying. I don't hate you. Again, I'm more than happy if I could help you, bro. But like, I'm gonna put you in timeout. How long? For 10 minutes. You could just sit down and listen. But you're literally annoying people now at this point. So, yeah, I'll put you at 10 minutes. You're gonna be a good boy and you're gonna sit down for a little bit. Okay. I'm not closing yet. I'm waiting. If there's better conditions, maybe I'll keep trading. Maybe not. But yeah, I'll say like, you see January, February, March. You see a lot of people at the gym, but then slowly towards July, August, September, less people start showing up. The gym starts becoming more empty. Why? Because people don't want to make that change happen today. They want to wait until new year, new me. So it's really, in my eyes, do you think we grab 530? It's possible. Yeah. I mean, we've been really just kind of aiming for that low, bro, right here. So it's not a bad idea. But yeah, I think the change whenever you start locking on trading is when you choose to start locking on trading and when you want to make something happen. It's when you want to make something happen. It's not when, oh, this thing clicks, oh, this thing happens, oh, this thing. Dude, it's when you choose to make things happen. It's when you know what, I want to sit down and make this work. How the fuck am I going to solve this problem that I'm facing? Okay, well, I'm obviously doing this repeated pattern and it's not working. What can I try that's different? That's when you start seeing that progress in your trading. So that's the way I look at it, bro. That's the way I look at it, is the changes start happening when you choose for them to happen. For me, when I first started, I was just like everybody else. I wanted to hit that one big trade that I could magically make my money off of. And yeah, it worked. Don't get me wrong. I made decent money, but then guess what? I lost it all. So yeah. I can't put a timestamp on exactly when you could say became consistently profitable. I could say I was profitable 2020, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. So far, it's been great. So yeah, I think that's the way I look at it. And it just takes time, bro. But the time is up to you. Now let's see. Let me see real quick. They use Bookmap. I'm reading this stuff. Yeah, I ended up getting rid of him, bro. He's on timeout for 10 minutes. He's going to have to be a good boy and listen for a little bit. At least my dad came back with the... Okay. Oh, are you saying because he's... Oh, I didn't even see his channel, bro. What is this channel? Who is this kid, bro? That's a child playing Call of Duty, bro. I don't even... Like, don't even give him your attention, bro. That's a kid playing Call of Duty. When you go to close, because I would say wait for 530. That's the next low that we want to take, which is right here. Probably the best spot to long if you want to take long. People think taking losses defines you. Think you sped something. I don't know, bro. It's up to them. Like at the end of the day, again, I have to work on it myself. If I take a loss, I take a loss, right? If I take a win, I take a win. I'm only documenting what I do and how I go about things. Like, I'm not sitting here and promoting a 100% win rate strategy. You have people that are promoting that and they're saying, hey, I have a 90% win rate strategy, or I have a 99% win rate strategy. I'm not promoting that. I never said that. I've never lied to anyone and told them, yeah, I have a 90% win rate and I'm taking 10 losses back to back. That's not true. And I've never said that I'm a market maker or whatever. And no, I know how to trade. I'm a trader. I make money from trading and I've been fucking profitable and I've proved it multiple times. Month on month on month on month on month, I have taken payouts. I have secured myself winning days. I have showed you guys that it's possible. Even with my red days, I've still showed you guys that, hey, this is possible. That's the way I look at it, bro. Been fixing my psychology turbo. It's been keeping me getting payouts. Change this. Break from the charts. Working on my mental. Yeah, and it starts with you, bro. It starts with you. So focus on what you gotta realize, like, the things that you do in your life affect and shape, right? And shape the outcome that you're looking for. If you're sitting down and you're eating junk food, you're just being a chud. Guess what's gonna happen? Your trading is not gonna be good as well. It's not gonna go well. Why? Because you're not disciplined. You're not actually trying to figure things out. Trading is so weird. It's a emotional and mental battle every fucking day, bro. You're battling with yourself. You're battling with the market. And then you have people like this kid that's just like talking in your ear saying, oh, don't ever do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Then you have people like that one kid, Tiki, whatever the fuck his name is, on TikTok. Day trading does not work. It's bullshit, bro. The fuck do you mean it doesn't work? Look at the amount of people that are making money off of it. So I'm talking about, like, oh, I know. It's when we had our kiss. Okay, have to head out. Love you. But let me see Friday. Alrighty, bro. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. People just be saying shit at this point, just trying to get a reaction. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Stared at the wall yesterday for a whole hour. It really does something to distractions. Yeah, I would say read more about finance, just personal finance, long-term investments. Focus on, like, this one guy that they've been talking about, Big Char. By the way, the video that I made was not about him, and I wasn't trying to bash him. I didn't even know he was the fucking topic. I was talking about somebody else. He's on TikTok, and he's a live trader on TikTok, and I'm not gonna name drop anybody, but somebody on TikTok, live trader, and he's trading 1 to 5 to 3 micros per trade. And I was like, oh, well, if you're sizing this light on a fucking funded, but you're claiming you're making 6 figures a month, the dots are not dotting. Like, the connection is not there, my guy. Like, the connection is not there. Like, that doesn't make sense. You're trading 5 micros, you're copy trading 5 accounts, and you're claiming you're making six figures. How? Okay. 6 figures, let's say minimum 6 figures, the least 6 figures is $100,000. That's your entry into being a 6-figure trader. Right? I'm just going to put this right here, just so that way you guys can see it. Trading micros and going for winning days. And the winning days, FYI, for a majority of firms, just to make sure that we're on the same page. Does that make any sense? Does that make any sense? But I'm just curious on you guys' take on this. If someone is saying I'm going for winning days and they're trading micros and they're saying that they're making 100K a month, 6 figures a month. Okay, calculator. Let's just say majority of firms have 5 winning days for you to request a payout. 5 days. Every single one of them, let's just say, has 5 accounts. Let's just say you're copy trading Tradeify, that's 5. Apex, that's 20. So 5 plus 20, that's 25, plus another 5 with My Funded Futures, another 5 with Funded Next, another 5 with Alpha, another 5 with Lucid, another 5 with TPT, another 5 with 50 accounts. Let's just say he is trading, I'll give it benefit of the doubt. 60 accounts. Times that by 250. So his winning day is $15,000. Times that by 5, that's $75,000, right? Now, you're able to request $250 per account per day. You're able to request 50% of that. So if you're going for $250 winning days, by the time that it's 5 days, say you have no losses, I'm saying for the entire month, 5 days, you have no losses. That's $1,250. You need 10 winning days for you to, no, not even. You need a whole month of you trading to reach $54,000 in buffer. So you could request $2,000, which is the industry standard right now. Industry standard is $2,000 per request. So you need 30 days, or let's just do $4,000. Divide that by 250. That's 16 days you need of no losses. 16 days, no losses, for you to request $2,000. 2,000 times that by the original amount, which is 60 accounts, what we said, that's 120. I would, if he is funded on all these firms and he's claiming that, I would literally be booty naked right now dancing, bro, on that mirror right there, right behind me. Which I put like 60 accounts. Not happening. You're smoking dick. Not happening. You're absolutely tripping. So I was talking about him. I wasn't talking about Big Char, but yeah, people took it as Big Char. I was like, shit, alright, I'll bet. Me too, shit, I would love to see that, but like, oh, no, you talking about that? Alright, bro. Alright, we're locked in. Yeah, the profit split. On top of that, there is rules, consistency accounts, all these things. You're going for $250 winning days. Back to back. And you don't even have a high win rate strategy. You have fucking, maybe not even 50% win rate. So then you're claiming 6 figures a month? I very doubt that you could even, hold on, let's check something just to be sure. Trade Syncer. I just want to see the industries. Or Tradecopia. That's what people use, actually. People like Tradecopia more than TradeSyncer. So Tradecopia, if you want to buy their normal pro plan that lets you connect up to, doesn't show me, single user, so 1 firm. Where is their plan? I'm trying to figure out their plan of basically like, is there a 60 connection account plan? If anybody knows, please comment that. 60 accounts I'm saying you could link, which is, I don't even know if that's possible. Anybody know that? No? No, I guess not. Doesn't exist, let's just say. Or maybe it does, but I don't know about it. And again, I very doubt that someone is, quote unquote, with 60 fundeds and just going for winning days. You have slippage. You have all of these things that could happen. You're dividing your entire fucking risk on the table. It's like you're pushing it, bro. You're genuinely pushing it. You don't look the part at all. Yeah, there's no such thing as that. There's no such thing as that. And that person, by the way, FYI, the same person we've exposed in the past, me as easy, for LARPing and putting a XFA logo in the past. So the people that know, they know. The people that don't know, they don't know. But it's just, in my eyes, it's bullshit. And I made that video about that. I was like, all right, since you're trading so light, you might as well trade nano micros, bro. Like, you're going to be good. Do you use higher time frames like the 1 hour for strat setups on tick charting for scalping? Yes, sometimes I do. It just depends on the conditions, bro. Because sometimes I do like to trade the charts with the tick chart. It's pretty good. I like it. Wow, and Q. Who is it? I won't speak too much about it. Oh, you know who it is then. It's possible. Don't remember what company it is. Oh, there you go. Quantum. Again, but there's like limits. There's like, if I'm sitting here and I'm saying I'm a 6-figure trader and I've showed you guys bank statements or bank withdrawals on my account where it shows me a deposits. I've showed you guys payouts to the actual fucking broker. I've recorded videos of me taking payouts. I've done every fucking thing in the book to show that, hey, I do make shit happen. And then someone that's never showed a singular payout and claims I make 6 figures a month. When you ask him, he says, I trade a account that is just copy trading. That makes no sense. That's pure bullshit. That's pure bullshit. And when you ask for a payout, you get banned or you get blocked. There's obviously something. There's a little bit something shaky. Because anyone that's making 6 figures, like anyone that's hit a peak month of trading, I promise you, they would go and flex it. Even Julian, the person that doesn't sell shit online, Julian Petroleus, he still will flex it and say, hey, yo, I've hit my biggest month in trading. He still will flex that. Do you see what I'm saying? Because it's always about, okay, the amount of impact that you could have on people just by showcasing that is absolutely fucking crazy. The amount of people that would be motivated, that'd be like, oh shit, I want to know what the fuck this guy's about. And especially if you're selling a Discord or a service-based business, you're going to want to flex that because it will boost that too. You have Lento, the biggest example. I actually think Lento is definitely the only ICT trader, actually him and Nitro. Those two are the only two traders in my eyes that I would say those are profitable ICT traders. Lento and Nitro. And when you look at their trades, it's mainly volume analysis. It's mainly like actually them just going through volume analysis. Okay. Lento. This guy. The way, when you look at him, and I'm genuinely speaking, you see the P&Ls, you see the charts, you see what's happening, and you know that he's actually standing on it. You know that he's actually like, yeah, I'm doing this shit, bro. And I respect that. I respect the fuck out of that because he's showing the losses, he's showing the wins, he's showing the withdrawals, he's showing live logins. Boom. Keyflow is a great trader. I don't know him, to be honest. I know him through Shinobi. I've never looked over his stuff, but yeah, I'm just going to talk about the people that I'm talking about right now, which is, again, when you see Lento, you see that he's flexing that. Like you have Julian. Literally 1, 2. Second post I looked at right away. Look. Right there. He's made 200K today. If you're claiming you make a certain amount of money, you'll be more than happy to show it. I promise you that. It's not about an agenda or something. It's just more of the influence that you could bring from it and the doors that would open for you. And I encourage every single one of you guys to start streaming. I've fucking said this multiple times and I can't stress it enough. Just start. You have Q Tao. He was unprofitable and I think he's still working on that right now. But he was working on this for a very long time. Great guy, and I hope the best for him, but what is this? Okay, cool. I think he's a great guy. I think he's an amazing guy, and I think he's doing well for himself, you know? So, yeah. But, all right, guys. I'm going to go. I got to go to the gym. It's been a long time since I've hit the gym, and I really want to get a workout in, bro. I'm exhausted from the plane. So, unfortunately, we ended up taking a few losses today. We caught a dub on the fundeds, but we caught a loss on the evals. I ended up blowing 5 evals, actually, if you didn't know, because it's $2,000 drawdown. That's what I could do. So I'll open up some more tomorrow, and then we'll keep going from there. But for now, I appreciate you all for tuning into this live. Again, I'll be live every single day on YouTube moving forward. No more TikTok. So you guys will be here tomorrow for 2 hours bare minimum. All right. So see you guys all tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Love you all. Peace, peace, peace. Actually, not 2 hours minimum. We'll do like winning. If we catch a win, then we're out.